Okay, writing linear equation in slope-intercept form is your homework for this evening. So just the slope-intercept form, just for a reminder, is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is your y-intercept. I'm just going to do a few examples from your homework because I know on some parts of the table you guys don't all have that information. So number one is just basically using the information they give you to write the equation. So I'm not going to go over that because I'm confident that you know how to do it. As well as number 3 and 4. I guess I'll do number 3 for you. So the slope here, if I'm looking at my 2 points, I have a point here and a point here. We're going to do rise over run. So if I go up 1, 2, 3, 4, so my rise was 4, and my run is 1, 2, 3, so my run is 3. So therefore my slope is 3 over 4. Remember, my y-intercept is where my line crosses my y-axis. So here's my line here, it's going along. It crosses my y-axis right here where the y is -5, so my intercept is -5. Therefore, if I put that into this equation that we have up top, my equation is y equals 3/4 x minus 5. Okay. Go ahead and complete number 4, 5, and 6 the same way. Okay, so then the second part we will do is write the equation of a line given a table. Remember, your table is the change in y, or delta y over delta x, which is the change in x. So I need to figure out just the slope. That's the only thing I'm doing on these equations right here, just finding the slope. So if I can pick any 2 points, it doesn't matter which 2 I pick. So I like to deal with positive numbers, so I'm going to pick 1 and 3, the ordered pair, and 2 and 5. So what is my change in y? From 3 to 5, it is 2. And my change in x from 1 to 2, it is 1. So therefore my slope is 2 over 1, which is also the same as saying 2. You will do the same exact thing for the next 2 examples. You're just finding your change in y over change in x. The second step is to find the y-intercept. The y-intercept is when x is 0. So whenever x is 0, you will identify your y-intercept. So if I look at this table, look, x is 0 here. And think about it, if I were to draw it on a line, the line will cross my y-axis at this point, and my b is 1. So therefore my b is 1. That's all I need you to do here. Second one. Here's my 0, my y-intercept is 3. And third one, my y-intercept is -1 because the x is 0, and with the x is 0, it identifies my y-intercept. So I actually did all of those for you. So it says, what should you do if 0 is not in the table? You're going to find the slope first. So to do my change in y from 11 to 15 is 4. And my change in x from 1 to 2 is 1. So therefore my slope is 4 over 1. Then it says, fill in the m slope into your equation of y equals mx plus b. So I got y equals 4x plus b. Then it says to choose an ordered pair. Then substitute in the x and y, and now you have to solve for b, which is your y-intercept. Okay, so that's a big mouthful, so let me just go ahead and show you. If I have y equals 4 times x, so I'm going to pick 3. Okay, let's just use that as an example. So when x is 3, 4 times 3 is 12. Well, this doesn't say 12. So how do I get from 12 to 19? I will add 7. So I will double check. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 7 is 19. And then therefore you have 19, my second ordered pair. So when x is 3, y is equal to 19. Okay, you guys would do this one by yourself. Find your slope and your y-intercept. And then on the back, you will graph your equations. Remember to first graph, go ahead and put down your y-intercept before you go ahead and graph. And remember, your whole numbers is 2 over 1, and we've done these in class, so you should be fine with that. All right, good luck on your homework. Remember, you do have a quiz tomorrow, and I will post the answers from yesterday's homework. This one will be a grade besides the ones that I've done for you, so the other ones will be graded.